In this video, we will solve a SQL question, which is write a SQL query to find employee with the highest bonus. So we have to find the employee's first name, last name, department and bonus from the two tables which are bonus and employee. And the DDL and DML to create both the tables will be provided in the description. So this is the employee table that we are going to create. And this is pretty straightforward without any complexity. Only thing is we are defining the employee ID as the primary key with the identity constraint, and also we are providing a not null constraint here, and this is the DML command which we are using to insert data into the employee table. And coming down, we have a bonus table. Here also we are using one constraint for the employee reference ID, that is foreign key constraint. So this employee reference ID column is mapped to the employee ID column in the employee table. So this employee reference ID acts as the foreign key. So there is a relation between the employee ID and the employee reference ID in the employee table and bonus table. So this is something we have to take care. And coming down, we have the DML command which we use to insert data into the table to the three columns: employee reference ID, bonus amount and bonus date. Now coming back to the question, let me query both the tables and once more I will show you the schema. So the first table is the bonus table, which has three columns, which is the employee reference ID, bonus amount and bonus date. And we have the second employee table where we have employee ID, first name, last name, salary, joining date, department and manager ID. Here from the DDL it's clear that we have mapped the employee reference ID and the employee ID column of both the tables. So the basic relation between the two tables are using the employee ID columns from the both the tables. Now the question is to find the employee with the highest bonus. So the first thing we have to find is what is the total amount of bonus that each employee has received. So for that, let us start writing the query. Select, the column is employee ref underscore ID, comma, sum of bonus amount as total bonus, and this is from the table bonus. And since we are using an aggregate function, we'll have to use a group by clause also. Group by employee underscore ref underscore ID. Now if we run the query, we'll get the employee and the corresponding total bonuses earned by each employee. So from the bonus table corresponding to each employee, the first employee has earned 9,500, the second employee 6,500 and the third employee 4,000. Now the question is given that we have to find the employee with the highest bonus, that is only one employee we have to find who has earned the highest bonus. So it is clear from the table that we have obtained that the employee with the ID 1 is receiving the highest bonus, that is 9,500. To get only that from the particular result, we are going to use a top 1 clause inside the select clause, that is top 1 followed by the same query, and after the group by clause we will put one order by clause also, because always we want the result in the descending order of the total bonus, that is order by total bonus DESC. Now we will get only one employee from the result. So now we have employee reference ID 1 and the corresponding total bonus. Now we have to find the first name, last name, department and bonus from the employee table, because all these are available only in the employee table and the bonus table does not have any of the data requested in the question. So let us keep this inside a CTE. This is T1. Now let us simply select all the result from the T1 table. Now we will see exactly the same result. Now what we have to do is we have to join the result with the employee table. So instead of this star, what we are going to do is we want first name, last name, department and the total bonus. So with the employee reference ID and the employee ID which is available in the employee table, we are going to join the table. So T1, from T1 join employee table, and we will give an alias name as E on T1 dot employee underscore ref underscore ID equal E dot employee underscore ID. Now we have joined the two tables using the employee ID columns. Now let me run the query and let us see the result. Sorry, we have an invalid column name because one O is missing after employee. Yeah, now we should get the result. Now we have the result. Employee reference ID, total bonus, employee ID, first name, last name, salary, joining date, department, and manager ID, corresponding to the employee who is earning the maximum bonus. But from the question it's given that we only need the first name, last name, department, and bonus. So instead of the star, we are going to take the E dot first name because that is coming from the employee table E, this one, and the second thing is E dot last name, comma, and E dot department, comma, and the final one is bonus. Bonus we have to get from the T1 table, that is T1 dot total bonus as bonus. Now we will only have the particular columns which are mentioned in the question in the result. Now we have first name, last name, department, and the total bonus received by the employee who is having the highest bonus. Thank you.